Well, it's basic cooking is very easy.
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
It is
Yes.
very easy, really. It is,
Mhm.
and now that we have, and if you learn from your mom or your dad or somebody in the family or a friend or that's the best situation. But if not, now we have YouTube and there are hundreds of thousands of simple recipes on YouTube that you can look at it.
Mhm.
You can go to the
Mhm.
shop, you can buy what you need, and
Mhm. Mhm.
you can cook it. I mean, the results might not be perfect the first time, but
Mm.
it's not that difficult. It's
I agree.
it. I mean, if you want to do something more complicated, you
Mm.
can. But I mean, really, this making this cake
Mhm.
took me like 15 minutes, right? It took me
Mhm.
15
Mhm.
minutes to mix it all together, and then you just put
Mhm.
it in the oven, and
Mhm.
the oven cooks it, and that's it.
Yes.
It's really not complicated. I don't understand why people have problems with basic
They
things.
are lazy.
Could be, could be. It's very true. It's very
Very
true.
welcome.
Um, it's also just, I think it takes time, and people have a fear, and
Mhm.
they they there's other things like they don't like cleaning and washing up everything afterwards. It's
Mhm. Mhm.
100% that the cleaning is the most complicated part. Yeah, and also what's complicated for me is I'm not an exact and specific person. So when I make something, I look at it, I look at what I have, and I'm like this. I don't measure anything. I don't
Mhm.
measure anything at all, and this is problematic. This is a problem because when you are cooking, you should have
Mm.
everything exact. But for me, it's just one big experiment. It's like, how many eggs? I don't know.
You must post it. Look at YouTube and there
Well,
is
I do. I'm like,
everything.
okay, I need eggs. I need flour.
Uh-huh.
I need
Mhm.
milk. Uh, I look at what I need, but I never look at how much.
How much?
I never
Mhm.
I never look at how much of what I need. I'm not very good with instructions. Okay.
But your children like your food.
Uh, it's okay. They gave me a 7 out of 10, so I'm quite happy with 7 out of 10 for that.